Hi guys, welcome back to my amazing kitchen. And if you are new here, kindly click on that subscribe button right now and join the amazing family. Yes, it's Christmas. The most wonderful time of the year is here. My favorite season of all time. And so, how are we going to celebrate this? With some Christmas chicken. So come along and let me show you how I made these delicious chicken legs. We obviously need some chicken, and I'm using chicken legs, but you can use any cut of chicken you prefer. And the only marinade you will need is my homemade chicken marinade, which I shared with you in my previous video, and just a little bit of salt to taste. All you need to do is to score your chicken, well, depending on the cuts of chicken you are using, but if you're using the legs, you want to score it and make sure it is well cleaned and patted dry, and then add your salt to taste and then add your marinade. Now you are going to rub in the marinade either with your gloves or bare hands, and make sure that the marinade gets into every corner of the chicken. You want to get under the skin of the chicken and rub in the marinade really well, because this is what is going to make the chicken so delicious. Next, you want to cover it and marinate it for at least 4 hours in the fridge, but overnight is even better. And since we are doing this for Christmas, you can marinate your chicken on the 23rd or the 24th, and it will be ready for your Christmas dinner just in time. For maximum flavor, I marinated mine for a little over 24 hours. I let it come to room temperature for about half an hour. Now I'm going to arrange it on my rack and then pop it into a 180 preheated oven. But just before I put it in the oven, I'm going to brush it with some more of the marinade just to make it extra juicy. I'm going to spray it with some cooking spray. If you don't have cooking spray, just sprinkle with a little bit of oil and then put it in the oven. And voila, our chicken is ready. Beautifully roasted, super juicy, super moist, and the marinade penetrated right into the bone. And I served it with this delicious nasi. The recipe for the nasi is already on the channel. So if you don't have any inspiration yet for Christmas, you can take a look at that as well. Now just look at this beauty. Why you so cool, daddy? Ntina wasi mesiafu pado you so cool you. I really hope you try this simple and delicious chicken recipe for your family this Christmas and make it a special one for them. Like I have been saying, 2020 has been one hell of a year. And so if you are here alive with your family, make it a point to celebrate the gift of life and make it a special one. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in my next video. Bye.